Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Windows 11 volume go up and down automatically in Windows 11. So how to fix? So guys, first method, click to services, type service. Okay, just open, press W, and open Windows Update, select automatic and start, apply and okay. Then again select this Windows audio and select restart. Okay, and then close it. Next guys, check audio driver. So right click to Windows icon, go to device manager, audio, speaker, right click. You can just first try to uninstall it. Okay, it's removed from here. Okay, and then click to again scan for hardware changes. Then it will come automatically and detect your, and then try to update and search automatically update and then close. Next, this sound. Okay, just right click to update driver, search automatically and then close and close. Then guys, next, set default your speaker. So click to start and type control panel. Okay, so open this, then select by category, hardware and sound. Again click to sound. So if you connected suppose Bluetooth speaker, wire speaker, okay, so all the devices show here. Okay, so which you want to output required, so select this and click to set default. Okay, I have only one speakers, that was default option is not showing here. Okay, and this is for the mic. Okay, and you can check, select and test also. Okay, and then set default, which is your color, and then click to, then guys restart and check it please.